as relocation of the street families. This relocation is not going to be just keeping the street families in a building and feed them and they eat and sleep. No, it entails 5 components. Number 1 is treatment, number 2 rehabilitation, number 3 empowerment, number 4 reintegration back to the society, and 5 is monitoring and evaluation. And we've put into consideration that there's need to include the diversities within the family. There's need to incorporate these groups. So whenever the county government has a function or a forum, there's need to give them space and there's need to give them room to express themselves. There's also need for them to seek justice whenever they need, and they should be assisted by the government.
We have voted in the office to tell Kenyans that the problem that we are having, the floods that are coming, the climate change that is coming, as a government you have a mitigation structure so that we are not losing lives the way we did in Mai Mahiu. To the president of this country, you are a good man with good vision. You told us that through the manifesto. But as we look at what is happening, the manifesto is going parallel to what you said. What we want to see you do is, we want you to tell us the inclusion of the people through the UN. I see you going around the African continent, supporting the African agenda. Please, the way you do it, let us not support the Western agenda, but support the African agenda of understanding the diversity in our families.
Haya, na thutha wa mutino wa Mai Mahiu uria